Uncle, auntie, mommy, and daddy, please watch this video and learn. Next time when you go to a hospital to get an injection in your buttocks, ensure to look at the nurse when they are doing it. Why? Look at this image up here. This is the anatomy of the buttocks. Take one part of the buttocks, divide it into 4. The right place to inject is the top outer part. It is important to know. Why? This top inner part and the inner lower part should be avoided because there is a nerve they call the sciatic nerve. It runs from your hip bone or from your hip area to your legs. If that nerve is affected by that injection that you are about to be given, it can cause you problems ranging from mild to severe. For some people, they experience tingling sensation, even pain. For some people, they experience severe symptoms like paralysis, that is weakness, or even paralysis of the entire limb that is affected. You want to ensure to tell that nurse not to inject you in the inner area. Very important. Also, you must know that by the side of that neck, there is a vein. If they mistakenly inject you and puncture that vein, they can cause air embolism that can cause pulmonary embolism. Don't worry about this grammar. It simply means when air bubbles enter into your blood vessels and goes into your heart or even your lungs and cause you problems. People even die from these situations. You want to ensure that this nurse do not give you injection in these areas that I've mentioned. There's what they call avascular necrosis. It simply means when there is a shortage in blood supply to the head of your femur, your thigh bone. That can happen when these nurses mistakenly puncture the vessels that serves the head of the femur, and that can lead to even infection and cause you problems, not just in the immediate, but even later in life. Ensure when you go to the hospital to look at these people and tell them to give you injection in the right place. When next you go to a hospital, ensure to look at the nurse when they are giving you that injection to make sure it is in the top outer part. If they don't degravitate, they come in the inner part. Remind them and say, abeg, no cause me problem for life. It is important. It is your life. You have the right to ask questions. I hope we've been able to learn something today. Stay sharp and stay medicated. Ciao.